Hey everybody! Isn't it like ridiculously quiet in here right now? Listen. Oh, you can hear you can hear Twyla's breathing as usual. Twyla! Hi Twyla! Anyways, I actually have a few dolls made right now in different like processes, like different, what is the word I'm looking for? Stages? Yes! Yes! Hallelujah! Stages. So I just wanted to show you guys to kind of compare and just show some work in progress, I guess. But let's see. Oh yeah, and then I also, this is a jade that is fully done, and see, that's the one that I said I was going to give a full grill to. I gave her 4 baby teeth and little vampire teeth, and she's really cute. And she's got platinum hair. She looks like a real baby, and she looks really cute there too. And this is what a jade looks like when you get it in the mail. So that's what it, this is the before and after. Pretty crazy, eh? Yeah. So, and then I have my place is kind of a mess right now because I'm like working on 4 dolls. So this one has a base coat on and then sealed. So I'm ready to start doing like shading and stuff. And then this one here has, my camera isn't the best for picking up like details and stuff, but this one has a few base coats on it, and then I've started the blues, in which you can kind of see but not really. So she's like, I would say probably 6 or 7 more coats, and then I'll seal her again, and then I'll do like a few more touch-ups. So like not quite halfway, but almost halfway. And then this little one is a custom, and I am about halfway done her, maybe a little bit further. Excuse me. So you can see, like, you know, she's got all the details and stuff on her already. Her little veins. And let me see. This one on the hands, you might be able to see it a little bit better. Anyways, so she's got more detailing done on her. So I'm going to seal her up today and then do like more purples and stuff. So those are like 3 different stages. See, it's like pure white. This one is like, you know, the details, and then that one's like halfway done. And then this one is fully done and clothed and everything. So it's kind of cool that I have all these dolls around that are at different stages, because then I can show you how long it actually takes. And actually there was a couple things that I wanted to bring up to people, because I've been on YouTube for a while now, and I feel like this needs to be said to everybody. Not that I want to be a downer and drive my parade through your rain, but I need people to stop messaging me and asking me for free reborns, or messaging me and asking me to sell them for $50. Because, not that I appreciate the fact that you are interested, but it's just really rude. Like, who does that? Like, who messages somebody or contacts somebody and says, can you work for free, please? Your work sucks so bad that I am willing to pay you $50. That's like saying, your work is not worth anything and I should get it for free, and maybe I'll pay you 50 cents an hour. So for people that do that, I do not give away reborns, and I do not sell them for $50. It is an insult, and I'd appreciate people not doing that, because it's insulting. It's like calling up a business like, you know, a good business, or like going to a restaurant, like a nice restaurant, okay, eating, and says, well, I'm willing to pay you $1. Even though this food cost $75, I think you should lose money and give me a meal, but I'll eat it, but I'll only pay you, like, you know, $1. Don't do it. Don't do it. It is not nice. It is not nice at all. I would never do that. So, and you know, and mostly it's younger people. So I don't know if your parents are not teaching you manners. Like, I'm sorry for being so blunt about it, but come on. Go to eBay, look how much Reborn dolls go for, and then look at what I do, and do not say my work is worth $50. These kits alone, Jade alone is a limited edition. Her kit just by itself is over $100. So, you know, and this is what I do to make money. So people that are saying, can I have a Reborn, or how do you afford those, or where do you know, it's none of your business. It is none of your business how much I pay for my Reborns. And not only that, but because I make money and you're quote unquote willing to pay me $50, I have 4 children. That's like saying to me, can you make me a free doll and can your kids not eat for a week? Yeah, I know you have 4 kids, but I want a doll. So can they just like go to school without lunches? Or can they go to school without new clothes or school supplies? No, they can't. So I'm not being rude about it. I'm just letting you know. Don't contact me and ask me for free Reborns, or ask me to sell. It's worse asking me to sell one for $50. If someone says, oh, are you giving away Reborns? Okay, you know, it's a question. Whatever. No, I'm not. There's your answer. But if somebody contacts me and says, can you sell me one for $50? Or I have $15 or I have $25, do not ask me that. It's even ruder than asking for a free one. Because you are saying that my work is worthless. That I should lose money. That I should pay for a $100 kit plus all the clothes and all the stuffing and all the hours that go into it. Because it is not worth anything. So just a heads up on that, because I just wanted to bring it to everybody's attention, because I love YouTube. I have fun on YouTube, and you know, I just don't need people sending insulting messages like that. I mean, I get them because I make vampires and zombies, but it's not has to do with you know, it's just the price thing. Like, it's just ridiculous. You don't do that to somebody. That is like selling something that they work hours and hours and hours on. Because it's rude. There, I said it. Okay, next. So, that issue is resolved. And then, there was something else that I wanted to say. Crap. Ah, geez. Anyways, that was my work in progress video. Probably about a week, I would say. I might have, well, the one is already sold, but the other 2 will be up eventually. I have a Tibby in the works too. I just put her base coats on. So that's that. And I don't know if I think of anything else. I guess I'll let you guys know. But I thought it was about time that I made a ranting video. Stop being blurry, camera. Jeez. She's so cute. I love her sitting here too. Pretty stinking adorable. Okay, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.